Hi, let's do some idioms and phrases. White lie means lie to protect someone's feelings. For example, don't tell white lies to your mom. She will always know the truth. Next is in the pink means to be in good health or good condition. For example, after several days in the hospital, Jane is finally in the pink. She is at home now. Golden opportunity means a very good chance to achieve something. For example, you have a golden opportunity with Sarah tonight. Ask her out. Out of the blue means something that happens unexpectedly. For example, his girlfriend broke up with him out of the blue. Green with envy means wishing very much that you had what someone else has. For example, when I heard about his new job, I was green with envy. Next is yellow-bellied, means a coward. For example, Tony's father called him yellow-bellied because he didn't want to ride a horse. Next is green thumb, means to be good at gardening and making plants grow well. For example, my sister has a beautiful garden all the year. She really has a green thumb. Next is silver screen, means the film industry. For example, Hollywood is well known because of the silver screen. White elephant means an expensive item that is costly to maintain. For example, your car breaks once a week. That white elephant costs you money and time. Moving to next, that is pink slip, means a notice of dismissal from employment. For example, he was laid off from work today. He received his pink slip. In black and white means in writing or in print. For example, this agreement must be in black and white.